Welcome to an essential guide on leveraging artificial intelligence in your classroom, AI uses for learning. We are on the cusp of an educational transformation, where understanding and utilizing AI is becoming a core competency for both teachers and students. The integration of AI into daily tools is accelerating, making it crucial for students to learn how to interact with this powerful technology effectively and responsibly. Right now, most students see AI as a get-out-of-homework-free card. They use it as a clerk to bypass the work. But to build true AI fluency, we have to push them toward being collaborators and critics. Let's look at the three roles: the clerk, the colleague, and the coach, and the output audit prompts that keep the human in charge. First, let's look at AI as a clerk. The clerk is for efficiency, handling the low-stakes grunt work, so students can focus on the high-stakes learning. For example, a student might use it as a cliff notes for their reading assignments, organize lecture notes, or to complete their homework questions. But here is the catch. The clerk is currently where 90% of your students live. They use it as a shortcut to bypass thinking. While it is a great starter, if they stay here, they aren't learning, they're just delegating. As educators, our job is to push them past the clerk and into the next two roles. Next, we examine AI as a colleague, a partner in learning and creation. As a colleague, AI can help students brainstorm ideas, act as a sounding board for arguments, and even collaborate on initial project structures, pushing creative boundaries and helping students expand on their original ideas. It's excellent for generating initial drafts, structuring complex arguments, or exploring alternative perspectives before students apply their own critical voice. Now the human is the lead architect, and the AI is the helpful builder. Finally, the gold standard, the coach. This is for growth. This role is designed to make the human smarter, not just the task faster. A student can use it to make sure they are fully prepared for in-class assessments. AI can provide personalized tutoring, generate practice quizzes tailored to a student's needs, and review concepts until mastery is achieved, preparing them for independent performance and assessments. This coaching role provides immediate feedback on learning, identifying knowledge gaps right away so students can adjust their study strategies efficiently. However, using AI effectively requires a crucial step we call the output audit. Once the AI gives you a response, don't just copy-paste. Perform an output audit. Ask yourself, is this accurate? Does this sound like me? Is this actually helpful or just easy? Teachers should instruct students to use follow-up questions to verify that the output is accurate, to challenge the output for bias, and help students think deeper. Now, let's discuss how teachers can guide students to truly learn with AI rather than just relying on it. Focus heavily on prompt engineering, teaching students how to ask specific, well-structured questions to elicit the best and most useful responses from AI. Integrate AI use directly into your curriculum and assignments, making its application transparent, measurable, and relevant to learning objectives. The shift is simple but profound. When we move students from clerk to coach, we move them from passive consumers to active thinkers. We aren't just teaching them how to use AI, we're teaching them how to work with a partner that challenges them. Next time you assign a task, ask your students, how are you using your AI today? Are you just hiring a clerk, or are you working with a coach? Let's raise the bar for what AI in the classroom can really do. By teaching responsible and critical AI use, you are empowering your students to thrive in the complex world ahead.